Online business owners usually pick one way to sell and ignore the rest. That's why they end up losing revenue without even realizing it. But what if your store gave every customer 3 ways to buy from you? They could order a physical product, download a digital file, or sign up for a subscription plan all in one place. One setup, one dashboard, 3 income streams working together. That's exactly what we're building today using FluentCart. And at the end, I'll show you a trick that can seriously boost your average order value in just a few steps. Alright, let's build it. I've already laid the foundation by installing FluentCart on my WordPress site. In case you need help with that part, you can check the step-by-step process in the video linked in the description box. Alright, open the products page and click Add Product. FluentCart will ask you right away, is this a physical or digital product? We'll go with physical first. Give it a title. Let's say we're selling a Pro Creator Toolkit, a box of physical tools for content creators. Now, let's fill in the details. Add a short description. Keep it clear and benefit-focused. Then, use the long description to explain why it matters. If you want more design control, switch to the Visual Builder and use Gutenberg blocks to make it really pop. Next, upload an appealing product image. You can even upload multiple if needed. Assign categories and brands so your store stays organized and customers can find products faster. You can also assign a product to a tags class directly from here. Now, let's talk pricing. Keep the type simple for a one-time purchase. Later, we'll show you how to sell products with multiple price variations, so stay tuned. Set your selling price and include a comparison price to highlight the deal. If you want to track profits, enable the profit calculation feature. Just enter your product cost, and FluentCart handles the math. There is also a one-click SKU generator, a small feature, but a huge time saver. Shipping makes things really clean. You can choose your preferred package type, define the measurements, add weight, and name the package. Once that's set, you can use it as a default. Click Add Package, and done. Want to make sure you don't oversell? Turn on inventory management. Set your stock level, and you're protected. Change the status, and update the changes. With that, the first income stream of our WordPress e-commerce store is ready. Now, let's add the digital side of our store. Click Add Product again, and this time, select Digital. Let's call it Ultimate Creator Tools User Manual, a downloadable PDF guide that can seriously help new creators use the toolkit perfectly to bring the best out of them. Hit Add Product. The setup is almost the same. Title, short description, long description, product image. Everything feels consistent, which is exactly what you want. Now, go to Pricing and switch to Simple Variation. This lets you offer different tiers for the same product, such as a basic guideline and a premium walkthrough. You can personalize the existing variation pricing exactly the way you want. And you can add as many variations as you need, just as easily. And here comes the best part, the downloadable asset. Enable the option, link it to the correct variation, then upload the PDF materials and save the asset. After purchase, the customer receives the correct file automatically. You don't have to send a single email or do anything manually. Change the status, choose a default variant, and update. That's income stream 2 live. And it's time to set up a subscription for our online store. Let's say you want to offer a monthly membership, Creator Club, with exclusive resources regularly. For that, you're using FluentCommunity, a premium community building solution for WPManageNinja. When a customer subscribes, they're automatically added to the right community space. Here's how to connect it. Click Add Product, select Digital, and fill in the relevant information quickly. If you move to the pricing, you can see a small subscription tab. Enable it and see how the options update instantly. Set the membership price, add a compare rate, and you can pick an interval that fits your business. Let's go with monthly and set a 7-day free trial so new members can try before they commit. You can even enable installment payments or add a setup fee if your model needs it. That's all it takes to launch a single tier membership. But what if you want to offer multiple tiers, basic, advanced, or premium? Just change the pricing type from simple to simple variation. From there, you can add as many subscription tiers as you need. For now, I'll just change the status and update the changes. To connect FluentCart with FluentCommunity, open the integration, click on Add Integration, and go with FluentCommunity. Handpick the space you'd like to add, make sure selected spaces will be removed if the customer cancels, and select the trigger with just a click. You can even choose the specific variation this feed runs for, or leave it blank to apply it to all variations. Hit Create Community Feed, and it's set. That's how FluentCommunity and FluentCart work together to create a recurring revenue stream in minutes. Now, get ready for the trick I mentioned at the beginning. FluentCart comes with a built-in order bump. So when a creator is checking out the Pro Creator Toolkit, you can offer them the Ultimate Creator course right at the checkout, so they get the most out of what they just bought. Go to Order Bumps and click Add. Name the order bump, select the product you want to offer, and continue. Next, enable the bump, write the description, and check the Enable Condition button. Let's go for cart items. Condition exists, and product is the Pro Toolkit. And to sweeten the deal, I'll add free shipping. But you've got plenty of flexibility here. Update the changes, and we're ready to see the store in full action. When someone visits your store, they see everything clearly laid out. They pick what they want, whether it's the toolkit, the course, or the membership. And the moment they move to checkout, the order bump appears, offering instant value that can seriously help them get more out of their purchase. One click, and the product is added to their cart, boosting your average order value effortlessly. They enter their details and place the order. Instantly, they're taken to a confirmation page. If they bought the digital product, they can download it right there. If they ordered the physical product, the order goes straight into your store's order section for fulfillment. Everything in one place. And that's a wrap. From physical products to digital downloads to recurring subscriptions, your hybrid WordPress store is ready. You don't need 3 plugins, you don't need 3 dashboards, you just need FluentCart. So if you've been thinking about launching your store, don't overcomplicate it. Grab FluentCart using the link in the description and start building today. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. And if this video saved you hours of plugin headaches, subscribe to WPManageNinja for more WordPress tips and business hacks regularly. See you in the next one.